Not sure how to use your Samsung AC remote? Model number ARH-2201. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Samsung AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Fan left arrow and fan right arrow. These buttons adjust the fan speed of the AC. Press the left arrow to lower the fan speed and the right arrow to increase it. This lets you control airflow strength for comfort and energy use. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The Smart Saver button activates the energy-saving mode. It automatically adjusts the compressor and fan speed to maintain the set temperature while reducing power consumption. The Clean button starts the self-cleaning function of the indoor unit. It removes moisture and dust from the evaporator coil to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. The Filter Reset button must be pressed for about 3 seconds after cleaning the AC filter. This action resets the filter reminder, allowing the system to accurately notify you the next time cleaning is required. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or Good Sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. Press the Good Sleep button and the AC activates a special sleep mode that gradually adjusts the temperature and airflow. This prevents sudden changes, saves energy, and creates a comfortable environment for a restful night's sleep. The MPI button activates the multi-power ionizer function. It releases negative ions to help reduce airborne bacteria, allergens, and odors. Press the Comfort Care button to activate the Comfort mode. The AC will then automatically adjust temperature and humidity to maintain a balanced and comfortable environment, reducing the need for manual control. Press the Temp/Humi button to view or adjust the indoor temperature and humidity levels. This feature helps you monitor room conditions and keep the environment comfortable according to your preference. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Samsung AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.